Hello, how's everybody doing today? Today we're going to do another short video about tax account transcript processing dates. The processing date is a computer-generated date set by the IRS systems. The processing date is internally set to remind the IRS systems to finish up your tax account and to either complete the tax account and generate a tax refund deposit date, post any additional code or codes, or resequence the tax return, meaning send it back through the system. When this happens, the tax return will be pushed back to a future cycle week. How do I find my IRS tax transcript processing date? To access your tax account transcript online, you will need to visit the IRS Get Transcript page. From there, you'll create an account if you don't already have one. Once signed in, you'll click on the link to view your tax records and then click the Get Transcripts Online button. Where is my tax transcript processing date located at? Once you've gained access to your tax account transcript, scroll down to the Explanation of Transactions section of the document. There you will find a column labeled Date that will provide you the IRS processing date. Your processing date will be the first date printed in the date column. The processing date will be located to the right of the cycle code as shown in the image below, highlighted in red. Here is an example of a processing date on a tax transcript. The processing date highlighted in red. This computer-generated date shows the week that your 21 days are estimated to be up. This date will always be set for a future Monday date and be generated for 18 days out from the cycle code date. Will my IRS processing date be the same as last year? No, each time you file a new tax return or amended tax return, your tax account will be assigned a new processing date. Your processing date can also update or change at different stages during the processing of your tax account. Can my IRS processing date change during the tax season? Your processing date can update or change at any time during the tax season due to resequencing of your tax return in the IRS master file. Resequencing could result in your tax return being sequenced through one or more processing cycles and could result in the tax refund being delayed past the original 21-day computer-generated estimated date. The area highlighted in blue in the image is the transaction processing dates. What are the transaction processing dates? The transaction processing date column shows the effective date of transactions on the tax account, and the date listed on the line across from the transaction represents the date that the IRS processed or plans to process the transaction. Can my transaction processing dates change? Transaction processing dates do not change. These are computer-generated dates for the tax record that document the date the IRS processed that specific transaction. If transactions are added to your tax account, the transactions will be documented and added to the list with new dates representing when the transaction will be processed. We hope the information shared in this video can help some people get a better understanding about their IRS tax transcript processing dates. If you have any questions about the IRS tax transcript processing dates, drop a comment down below. Please feel free to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you found the information shared here to be useful. Thank you very much. We appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and we'll see you again in the next video.